want me to talk about it? All right.
Is the audience watching?
Yeah, the audience is watching. This is Grammy.
This is Benjamin.
And today we have, what do we have today, Benjamin?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Hold it up so that we can see. What is it?
I don't know. Let's see what it is.
Okay, should we? Do not touch this. This is too sharp for children. You see it? Okay.
Oh, snap. My dad doesn't have that.
Oh, trying to do that. Ooh, and the instructions are in Japanese.
Okay. No, I need to do it because this is my video.
Oh, okay. Ooh, it's bigger than I thought.
Yeah.
Look at it.
Bigger than I thought.
Okay, take off the plastic. I don't.
Oh, it comes with the parts.
Yes, it comes with the parts.
I think this is bigger than I thought.
Comes wrapped up. I think we spent what, $13 on this or so?
Yeah, $13.
Okay, let's open it.
No, I have to do it because that was my idea.
This is a super sharp blade in there, so we cannot put our fingers in there, Benjamin.
Okay.
Don't touch. It's super sturdy. Like good quality, made in Japan.
Well, watch this. This is good quality too.
We don't want this. We don't need that.
No.
What?
No, we have to reuse the bando.
We have to reuse it?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at this. Is super sharp. Ooh, no. Don't touch that. That is super sharp. There's screws that are pointy. Benjamin, we're going to use this protection right here.
When we cook?
This doesn't require cooking. Okay, these are the instructions. Let's show the audience.
Which audience?
The audience are the people watching the video. I see. This goes under. Oh, I'm so confused. Oh, it goes like that. And this goes under here to catch the snow cone. And this goes in here to grind.
Oh, I like this.
Wait.
It's very cheap.
Oh, cheap? It's not cheap.
Yeah.
Okay, wow. All right.
Okay, hi audience.
Okay, I'm going to see if I can.
Look at how it goes. You have to put it in there first.
Yeah, you're right. This first. Aha. This audience is what we put in. Then we put this in.
You're wrong, Grammy.
I'm wrong?
Yeah, you're wrong. It says to put that in.
I'm so confused. I wish I understood Japanese.
Okay, audience.
Dance. Okay, let's get some ice too. Let's get a bowl of ice. Come on, let's get a bowl of ice. Okay, we put the ice in.
I can't.
Ooh, muscles. Here, let me do it. You hold this.
Look, it's good in my face.
Is it?
Yeah, look it.
Oh, woo! Not bad for a $13 contraption. Really nicely made. Oh, that's okay. Wow, look at that! Snow!
Okay, that's enough.
Wow, that's a lot of ice. Look at that. Snow cone. Goodness. Snow cone goodness. A bowl of ice. Okay, I'm going to put some of this
Oh, I
beautiful
wanna do
Japanese honey.